Here we have a 21 plate BMW X7 M50i. Now this vehicle comes with over £15,000 worth of optional extras, all of which are unlisted on the website. Just to mention a few though, we do have the Comfort package, the Technology Plus package, we have the Entertainment package. We have the black exterior paintwork on this vehicle, the 22-inch alloy wheels with the air suspension so the vehicle can raise or lower. It's currently set on its lowest setting. We have the LED headlights, colour-coded door handles, black trim around the windows and the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top you'll find the black roof rails. We also have the panoramic glass sunroof that has the Sky Lounge, so that means it has the lights built into the roof, which looks really cool, especially at night time. Shark fin antennae and the rear spoiler. We have the 360-degree cameras with the front and rear parking sensors, a power-operated tailgate, and also the dual legs exhaust at the rear. And then walking back round to the driver's side, you find this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents, or scratches. So if we take a quick look at the interior then. Inside of here you find the full leather interior. We have a really nice colour combination inside of here. There's a look at them seats just there. We have the two seats, the armrest in the centre. Both these seats are electrically adjustable. We also have the blinds as well on the windows. We have the Bowers & Wilkins sound system. We also have the two screens as well on the back of the front seats. Plenty of features on here that you would have seen on the photos. Quickly going through them though, you can see we can adjust the radio. We also have the TV. You can actually watch TV programs on each of the three main screens. If we go on to home, you can see we have even further features. So we have the sat nav. We also have the apps as well. We can also adjust the ambient lighting and the climate control from these screens. We also have the ambient lighting underneath here. Again, looks really nice at night time. Both of these outer seats are heated, controlled just down there, along with the climate control. We also have two Type-C USB ports, 12-volt connectivity, and also the cup holders. There's a look at the rest of the back. We of course also have the two seats back here, which this will fold back electrically, as you can see, just like so. But if you just take a look at the front quickly, inside of here you find we have the same leather interior, really soft headrests, which are adjustable, as you can see, just like so. Both these front seats are electrically adjustable, again with the memory functions, and they're also both heated, and they can also both be cooled as well. They have the massage functions as well, plenty of different features that you would have seen on the photos. Again, the Bowers & Wilkins sound system, electric mirrors, electric windows, automatic lights. Just take a quick look inside, you can see we have the multifunctional steering wheel that is heated. It's also electrically adjustable with that stalk just down there. We have the speed limiter and the cruise control, which also is adaptive cruise control. We have the driver assist as well, digital dashboard, we have the main infotainment screen, packed full of features that you would have seen on the photos, with the heads-up display, climate control down here, the intelligent safety system. Again, we have the wireless phone charging inside of there with the cup holders, which are heated and they can also be cooled. They do get hot and they do get very cold. We also have the automatic gearbox for the different drive modes, air suspension just there with the 360 cameras as well. Plenty of features to go through on this vehicle. We will do a more in-depth video. But that's all from me today though. Thanks for watching.